There you go. Good. Come on. That's all right.
Yeah, me too.
That's okay. You just pull it all the way up higher. Try to get up there. Just 10. Let's go. Let's see it, Ace. Let's go. Straight body. Come on. Good. Pull up. Pull up there. Good. Straight body. Don't let your butt down there. Come on, hair under your arms. Good. When you come up, your butt comes up too. Owen, let's go. Come on. All right, this way. All right. Good. Good. Make your butt come up too. Good. Those are good, Ace. Gabe. Come on, Dave. Let's go. Ooh, the alternating hand. I like that. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Good. It's like doing a pull-up. Let's go. Ooh, that was a high one. Good. Pull it up there. Good. Get your chest up, Owen. Get your chest closer.
Really hard after the 7-4.
Good. Come on.